Chuck roast burnt ends. Like and subscribe. Let's get involved, people. Come on. Hello and welcome to Barbecue Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight we have a killer show for you guys. We're going to be cooking up some amazing chuck roast burnt ends. Super simple cook. Just follow along. You're going to love it. It's super easy. Check it out. Who is coming over tonight? We have Steve Wheeler on guitar. We have a newcomer, Greg Sears, playing some guitar. We also have Kevin Peffer coming on some bass, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So here we go, people. Come on. Let's get involved. Boom! So we have both of our chuck roasts sitting right here. We're going to be using mustard as a binder. One of these we're going to be using a Haywood brisket rub, and the other one is an all-purpose meat church rub. So we're going to put them both on, see how they turn out. We're going to be using the barbecue sauce we're going to be using tonight is from Blues Hog, and it's their original recipe. Excellent barbecue sauce. Got to check that out. Here we go. Alright, there's the Haywood. Now we're going in with the all-purpose meat church rub. So now that we have our rub on here, we're going to let this sweat out for about 15 minutes. I've got my green egg parked at about 275 temp-wise. We're going to be letting these cook for about 2 hours, looking for about 190 internal, and then we're going to be pulling them, putting them in a pan. And I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing after that here in just a minute. So anyway, you guys stay tuned. Here we go. Okay, we're rocking about 275 on the green egg. Let's go ahead and get our meat on the grill. Beautiful, look at that. Gorgeous, that looks incredible, guys. While this is cooking, you guys enjoy some of these jams. Please like and subscribe. You know the drill, people. Come on, let's get involved. All right, so we have pulled these at about 160 and put them in a pan. I'm gonna be putting some butter on these, wrapping them, and then putting them back on the green egg until they hit an internal temp of 190. When they hit the 190 mark, I'm going to slice them up into cubes, basically, essentially our burnt ends, and throw in some barbecue sauce on top of that, wrap them, again, pop them back on the green egg, and they're going to come up to about 203, about probe tender, and then they'll be ready to serve. So there we go. Okay, we are at 190, guys. Time to pull. We're gonna chop them up, put them back in the same pan with some barbecue sauce. We're gonna be putting them back on, wrapped until they hit an internal temp of 203, kind of probe tender, and we'll be ready to eat. So here we go. Ooh, there's some steam in there. Wow. All right. Check that out. Oh man. All right, so now we've pulled this from the pan. We're gonna chunk this out, basically just chop it up into nice little chunks. Gonna be popping it back in the same pan with the same juices and also adding some barbecue sauce, which is our blues hog we're gonna be using tonight. All right, now that we have got this all sauced up, chunked up, wrapped up now, and heading back onto the pit. So we will see you guys back here shortly. Please like and subscribe. You know the drill, people. Come on, let's get involved. Come on. All right, here we go, everybody. Time to pull. We're a little over 200 degrees. These poor man's burn ends are gonna be ridiculous. I cannot wait to get a hold of these things. All right. All right, let's take these babies out and see what we have. Oh my God. Look at that. Guys, the smells coming off this is insane. These guys really cooked down a lot. Whoa. These are like little candied meat
morsels.
Oh my God. Kevin Pepper's over here hanging out with Barbecue Jams tonight. We're going to be cooking up some serious jams tonight. Yeah, man. Welcome back, sir.
Sir.
And we also have Greg Sears over here as well. What's up, Bubba?
What's going on,
How's it going, dude? Are you excited for your first Barbecue Jams?
I am.
Gonna get
I got
involved.
to try some food last week. I get to play this week. I'm
That's
excited.
right. We had to get them back over here. So you guys ready to try these out?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. All right, let's give it a shot.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for this side just because. You guys go for whatever you like.
Let's try one of these.
Yeah, man.
Eyes on this one.
Oh
yeah.
Cheers, guys. Woo!
Here we go.
What's the sauce on this one?
Oh, bro. Woo! Oh man, dude.
I'm gonna try both.
Oh yeah.
What was this one? What was the
these.
sauce on this one?
I believe this was Meat Church, and
Okay.
this is Haywood.
Okay.
Yeah. And you just did Meat Church. Okay, cool.
But they're both the Blues Hog original
They both have this barbecue
barbecue
sauce.
sauce. Yeah.
Yeah. Dude. All right, I gotta give this one a shot. Poor man's burn ends over here.
Excellent. Fine work, sir.
Yeah.
Oh,
You're
man.
outdone yourself
Ooh.
once again.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Sorry.
Thank you, sir.
I don't normally laugh from behind here, but that was
Excellent.
good.
Dude.
Okay.
Wow. These are ridiculous.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Very inexpensive cut of meat. It's about $35 per chuck roast. It's about a 4-hour cook. Guys, you gotta try this out. It's so good. This is gonna be great at any of your parties or any of that kind of stuff, guys. Or a Barbecue Jams episode. So, cool, guys. You guys ready for some killer
Thanks for
jams?
having me.
Yeah, bro, absolutely.
Oh my word.
We got Mike and Jones over here too, hanging out. We also have Martine. You guys want to come in? Yeah. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Welcome,
Thanks
bro.
for having me,
Yeah,
man.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I love burn ends. Like one of my favorite barbecue items. Time no see.
Oh, yeah, no, it's not forever, guys. All right, I'll get involved with some match. Check it out. See what you want, Martine.
I'm gonna do these one here. Alright, I'll do this one. Cheers. Cheers.
Dude,
Oh my god.
Literal meat candy.
meat candy is right. Absolutely. Dude.
My god.
Okay, ridiculous, right?
This is incredible. Tell me the sauces. It's so tender.
So we have Haywood, Meat Church. This is the all-purpose. This is their brisket rub. And I took this Blues Hog original barbecue sauce and put that all over it. Wow. Dude.
Okay, nice.
That is rocking.
That is so good,
That
bro.
is super good.
Now you wanna switch it up?
Yeah, that's right.
Ready?
Y'all are
Round two?
never mind.
Round two.
Whoa.
Dude. Give her a shot. There's some serious flavor going on in there. Some crazy flavor. Like flavor explosion, right? Come on, you know you like that. Come on.
Getting another one.
Well, yeah, that, I mean, dude, go for it. Absolutely.
I'm getting another one.
Dude, right? Oh my God.
You killed it.
You killed it.
Those giant burgers that one time were good.
This is so, yeah, this is serious. There's some seriousness going on right there. All right, guys.
Never bad as barbecue jams.
No, it's always good over here. Guys, we're gonna catch you back here in just a little bit. Like, subscribe, let's get involved, people. Come on, these are stupid. These are crazy, crazy. Hey guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Those burnt ends were incredible. What'd you guys think of those burnt ends? Amazing. Awesome. Incredible. You guys have got to check them out, please. By the way, thank you so much for the merch company for hooking up the swag. As always, thank you, Derek Enner. Guys, we're having a good time. Please like, subscribe. You know the drill. Let's get involved. Boom.
Yeah.
Gents.
Burnt, yeah, man. Oh yeah.
Give me some! Yeah! Come on, baby, come on.
All right.
80s cock art singer.